contestants in the Leaders of Tomorrow Auto Components category are being evaluated by Geeta Piramal. The nominees are Godavari Ferrocast, BSA Facilities, Prakash Plastics, Menon and Menon, Cipra Engineers.
I was most surprised that every single entrepreneur who sat across the table from me saw himself as somebody who is bringing a product which is an import substitute product. As a business historian, I've been hearing that word since pre-independence. So after a 60-year hiatus, to be actually hearing that phrase again really made me sit up.
For the Leaders of Tomorrow Chemicals and Petrochemicals category, the jury member meeting the contestants is DK Jain. The nominees are Camlin Fine Chemicals, Prasol Chemicals, Blue Coat, Radiant Lubes, SM Machines. For the Leaders of Tomorrow Electrical and Electronics category, the jury member evaluating the contestants is Akhil Gupta. And the nominees are Micro Retail, Eco Recycling, Centum Electronics, Tarini Infrastructure and Avambisys Technologies.
First of all, I must thank ET Now for giving me the opportunity of interacting with all these young entrepreneurs with so much of passion. It certainly has energized me, taken me back to our earlier days in 1994 when we were just setting up something completely new, and I could relive every moment. I could see the same passion, and I personally think that the ideas these young entrepreneurs have, what they are trying to do, the innovation, the technological cutting edge some of them are providing, and just the sheer thought process of coming out with something new and having the dream to just take that to great heights, I think bodes very well for India in the coming years.
The contenders in the Leaders of Tomorrow Food and Agri-Products category are meeting Vikram Bakshi. Here are the nominees: Camson Biotechnologies, Basukinath Food Processors, Medley Foods, Karunya Marine Products, Tikuram Gum and Chemicals.
I think what clearly comes about in each one of the interviews that I did was the passion that each one of the entrepreneurs had. And most of the successful companies, you could see immediately that the folks behind them were charismatic. They were very passionate about what they were doing. They were extremely innovative and path-breaking things that they were doing. So for me personally, I think it's kind of a revival of what we did when we were young, and it also tells you that one must continue to think of path-breaking things and not settle down for the status quo.
For Leaders of Tomorrow Healthcare and Biotech category, the jury member is Shivinder Singh, and the nominees are Health Biotech, Hosmac India, Mahasemam Trust, Regenerative Medical Services, and finally Lakeshore Hospital and Research Centre.
Well, I've just finished the healthcare and biotech sector, and a lot of new firms, considering that I'm in the field that I hadn't heard of, which is very interesting to see, and a lot of different and innovative models, which is what is nice to see in these startups or reasonably smaller regional players, if you'd like to call it. So it's very, very interesting.
For the Leaders of Tomorrow Travel and Hospitality category, the jury member meeting the contenders is Prasood Joshi, and the nominees are Highland Holiday Homes Goa, Kesineni Tours and Travels, Titos Hospitalities, Tamil Selvi Constructions, Sun Facilities Services.
And the fact that on their own they have been fighting their own battles and building businesses, generating employment, all the things which we talk about, at a larger level, about the inclusive growth. I could see without anybody else is doing, an ecosystem exists and develops itself when there are energies around. So I felt very pleasantly surprised. I felt happy. I felt hopeful about the future of the country. And I think the future is going to come from all these people. They are the future.
The jury member for the Leaders of Tomorrow Engineering Products category is B.S. Nagesh. And the nominees are Polybond Organics, Rotex Manufacturers and Engineers, Gandhi Automations, McGill Pneumatics, and finally RA Powergen Engineers.
The SMEs, and today I did have the chance to meet. I mean, the whole energy, the whole will-do attitude and can-do attitude, and so what if there are problems, so what if there are licenses, so what if I don't have money. I think that itself will take on. If you go to Europe and talk to SMEs, everybody's crying. Okay, here also people are crying that there's no action happening on the government side, all those things, but still everybody is positive and bullish about their businesses because they're willing to work hard and deliver. So I'm extremely positive on both the ends, from the supply side and from the demand side.
For the Leaders of Tomorrow Pharmaceuticals and Medical category, the jury member meeting the contestants is Geeta Piramal. And the nominees are Shelby Hospitals, Prathishta Industries, Sensacor Medical Instrumentation, Span Diagnostics, Neutronic Equipment Company, Pioneer Extruders, and finally British Biologicals. For Leaders of Tomorrow Textiles, Apparel and Accessories category, the jury member meeting the contestants is D.K. Jain. And the nominees are Ravali Spinners, CTA Apparels, Raglan Infrastructure, Siddharth Exports, Ratan Textiles and RBZ Jewelers. For the Leaders of Tomorrow IT, ITES, BPO, VAS category, the jury member meeting the contestants is Akhil Gupta. And the nominees are 4G Identity Solutions, Genesis International, Nazara Technologies, Medhaj Techno Concept, and Microscan Computers. For Leaders of Tomorrow Home Decor and Handicrafts, the jury member meeting the contestants is Vikram Bakshi. And the nominees are Decitex Furnishings, Skipper, Dorset Kaba Security Systems, Dilip Ceramics, and CP Marketing. For Leaders of Tomorrow Transport and Logistics, the jury member meeting the contestants is Prasoon Joshi. And the nominees are Oilfield Warehouse and Services, Midas International, Sampark Logistics, Sequel Logistics, Gubba Cold Storage. For Leaders of Tomorrow FMCG and Consumer Durables category, the jury member meeting the contestants is B.S. Nagesh. And the nominees are Global Fragrances, Mohani Tea Leaves, Kamuna Credit Cooperative Society, Kashi Jewelers, Fun Snacks, Kamat's Our Times Ice Creams. Mr. Sam Petroda is selecting the Woman Entrepreneur of the Year. The nominees are Ritu Singhal, MD of Raglan Infrastructure, Sangeeta Malik, MD of SM Machines, Priyanka Gupta, MD Multicolor Projects India, Kanchan Naikawadi, Director Indus Health Plus, and finally Nita Adappa, founder of Prakriti Herbals.
I had an opportunity to meet 5 top women entrepreneurs. They were really good. They were as good as anybody else you can find in the business. They were very clear about their sort of business growth. They were real entrepreneurs. And we will see more and more of this in the future. You know, they have same capabilities man have.
Sam Petroda, in consultation with the other jury members, will also be selecting the SME of the Year from amongst the winners of the individual categories. So how well did these contestants perform at the jury round? Were they able to impress the jury members with their business ideas and innovations? It all comes to a fantastic conclusion next week as we bring you the India Mart Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2011.